Most people miss out on discounts on Amazon for one simple reason. They don't know where or how promo codes actually work. And that leads to paying full price for something that should have been cheaper. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is trying random codes at checkout without understanding the correct process. Most codes won't work unless the right product and conditions are matched. Here's the truth no one tells you. Amazon promo codes are not always typed in manually. In many cases, they are applied automatically when you follow the correct steps. In this video you'll learn exactly how to apply Amazon promo codes in 2026, how to find working discounts, and how to make sure your savings actually get applied at checkout. Let's start with the basics. A promo code is a special discount that reduces your final price. It can be a percentage off, a fixed amount, or a special deal like free delivery or cashback. Now here's where most people go wrong. They search for codes online, copy them, and try to paste them anywhere. But Amazon only accepts promo codes in specific sections, and only on eligible products. So step 1 is finding a valid offer. Open the Amazon app or website, and look for items with deal tags like coupon available or limited time offer. These are the easiest way to get discounts without even typing a code. Now let's say Alex is buying headphones. He adds the item to his cart. At checkout, he sees a checkbox or coupon section. This is where most discounts are applied. Instead of typing anything, he simply ticks the coupon, and the price drops instantly. But here's where it gets interesting. Some promo codes are only visible after signing into your account. That means if you are browsing without logging in, you might miss hidden discounts completely. Next step is checkout. Go to your cart, proceed to payment, and look carefully for the Apply Coupon or Gift Card or Promo Code option. If you have a valid code, enter it there and click Apply. Always check if the discount reflects before confirming payment. Now another important tip. Not all products are eligible for promo codes. Items sold by third-party sellers or already discounted deals may not accept extra coupons. That's normal, not an error. If your code is not working, double-check 3 things. Expiry date, product eligibility, and spelling. Even a small mistake can cause the code to fail. So to quickly summarize, find eligible products, check for coupons in the listing, apply them at checkout, and always verify the final price before payment. If this helped you save money on Amazon, like the video, drop a comment with your biggest discount, and subscribe for more simple shopping hacks like this.